Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic webmail integration, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So in Bitrix24, you can integrate mailbox from different email services provider like Gmail, Outlook, iCloud, Office 365, Exchange, Yahoo, or corporate mail. So you have to go to the webmail section and you can select your mailbox service provider from here. After clicking your service provider, if you already have a mailbox connected to Bitrix24, you can click the small arrow icon next to your email address on the left and select connect new from the drop down. You can connect your Gmail or any other mail from here. You can click on the authentication and just log in through your ID. Just you need to click on the connect option and then your mail is now connected with the Bitrix24. You can manage the CRM integration as well to the mail. You can create lead, create contact from the mail. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop a thoughts or question in the comment below and I will see you in the next one.